Hello everyone, welcome to Cloudstepin Technologies. Today's session on cybersecurity. Let's begin by understanding what cybersecurity actually means. Yeah, I hope you guys can see my screen. Yeah, introduction of cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is the practice of protecting system, network, and our data from digital attacks. In simple terms, it's all about keeping sensitive information safe from hackers, virus, and unauthorized access. A major goal of cybersecurity is to protecting systems and our data. And our main motto of cybersecurity is to protect the company's financial and customer data from being stolen. In today's digital world, one data breach can cost a business not just money but also its reputation. Now let's look into the some key points of the cybersecurity introduction. Firstly, cybersecurity helps to ensure confidentiality, integrity, and availability. Confidentiality means data is only accessible to those who are authorized. Means the data, which is companies or personal data, will be accessed to the only person who is the owner for that. And integrity ensures that data is not altered without permission. And availability means that system and data are accessible when needed. And cybersecurity covers not just businesses, but also personal and corporates and national security too. Whether it's your email account or a government database, everything is a potentiality get to store or security to their properties. Next, move on to the next slide, which is network security fundamentals. There are different types of cyber threats. Yeah, network security fundamentals. We will cover basic network security and which all about protecting the usability, reliability, and safety of our networking and data carriers. Like we show in this image, which is moving the files, which we are showing the securing to the data. And some key points of network security fundamentals are the first line of defense in the network security is the firewall. It monitoring and incoming, outgoing traffic and blocks the suspicious activity. Next we have IDS and IPS. Instruction detection systems means IDS. It detects the threats, and intrusion prevention system can actively block those who threats are when created to our data or applications in real time. And next, virtual private network will comes under the picture. It means create resource encrypting connections for users accepting internal systems from outgoing locations. Such when employees are connecting remotely from the home to the work location of the office. Lastly, using secure network protocols like HTTP and SSH ensures that the data sent over the internet is encrypted and protected from attackers. Next, move on to the endpoint security. Endpoint security, which focus on protecting the individual devices that connects the a network like laptops and desktops and phones and tablets. Laptops encrypts for the remote employee accessing the sensitive data. If the employee working from home to the office, there will be some connection should be there. Like that connection is nothing but a networking. In that networking, the sensitive data will be transferred in between office and employee. So this endpoint security will cover the security functionality in these cases. Some more key points are the first layer of the defense antivirus and anti-malware software, which helps detect and remove the malicious software. And next important measure is device encryption. And lastly, endpoint detection and response, which means these tools will provide the advanced monitoring and automatic response if suspicious behavior is detected on the device. If there is any suspicious behavior in your devices, like if your device is overly heated without any using, those kind of suspicious activity will be detected by this endpoint detection and response. It will give to the response. So endpoint security is all about securing each one of these access points to ensure no weak links exist in the organization networks. It's completely tests the weak links. Where is our data will be leaking? Where is the weak point will be there? Those many points will be tested by endpoint security. Next, we move on to the identity access management. It ensures that only authorized users can access the right resources at right time. Like we are putting pins or security fingerprints to our devices like mobiles and laptops. So in these cases, this identity access management system will be works like it will access to the user who is the owner of that particular device, like mobiles or laptops. The key points of this identity access management is multi-factor authentication. We all are presently using multi-factor authentication. It means when you are connecting to multi-factor authentication, it will generate the OTP. Then you receive that OTP and enter into the system. Then only that multi-factor authentication works, and you can access to the particular devices. Next, role-based access control and single sign-on. These are the key factors in the identity access management. The in-depth we will cover in the next class. Yeah. Next, move on to the security operations and monitoring. The word security operation and monitoring, it's only itself like monitoring each and everything from threats and viruses, those kind of things. Continuously monitoring of security events to detect and respond to threats. It also detects and respond to the threats, like it can block the threats. Those kind of things will be done by security operations and monitoring. And key points are security operations center and SIM tools, security information and event management, and real-time alerts and log analytics. These things will be covered in the security operation monitoring. Next, we move on to incident management. In incident management, the process of identifying, containing, and recovering from cybersecurity incidents. It means responding to ransomware attack by isolating systems and restoring backups. When we are creating backups to our data, like there will be huge data in our machines, or there will be huge data in our businesses. The data will be very precious to us, very precious to the company, and very precious to the client. Client also looking for to security of his data. So these when it happening in the backup storages, when we are storing in those kind of data in the backups, Here also there's some attacks and restoring issues will be there. Those kind of things will be comes under picture in incident response. Key points: incident response plan and team, and forensic and root cause analysis, communication and recovery strategies. It will be sorted from phase to what is the solution and how to solve it. Those points will be comes under picture in incident response. Next, we move on to practices. Here, we can practices the sessions with students or working professionals with real-time practices. We can create some projects, we can give them, and regular software updates and patching will be comes under practices. The people will get the strong basics in this, and strong password and multi-factor authentication, security awareness and training. Next, compliances and legal aspects. Following laws and regulations that govern data protection and cybersecurity, and mainly healthcare organizations. And next, emerging trends in cybersecurity. New technologies and evolving trust strategies in the cybersecurity landscape. We also updating ourselves to provide the good training or good knowledge in cybersecurity by updating ourselves in the present upcoming technologies. These are some key points: AML in threat detection, zero trust architecture, cloud and IoT security challenges. Thank you. To conclude, cyber attacks grow more advanced. The demand for skilled professional in cybersecurity is increased. It means day by day cyber attacks are growing super fastly. So it means cybersecurity field, the jobs in cybersecurity are those are daily day-to-day life. It is increasing. This makes it not only essential domain, but also promising career path for everyone interested in the tech and security. Thank you for your time. Stay secure, stay aware. This is all about today demonstration about cybersecurity.